Working with your kids in the kitchen is a great recipe for math success.
It's the icing on the cake, the cupcake.
Let's start with 1 cup of flour and half a cup of sugar.
1 cup of flour and half a cup of sugar.
Right.
Make it a team effort. You get a kitchen helper and your kid learns math.
And everyone gets a treat at the end.
Next step, we need 1/4 cup of batter for each cupcake. So how much does 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equal?
1 cup of batter.
That's it. Okay, our tray holds 4 cupcakes. So if we need 12 cupcakes total, how many times do we need to fill the tray?
3,
That's right. Why?
because 4 times 3 equals 12.
That's it.
So the next time you're cooking something, see if you can add a dash of math.
And don't forget the sprinkles.